In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box to your Godaddy website builder page. This is a vital skill that can significantly enhance the look and functionality of your website, whether you are highlighting key information, adding contact details, or showcasing a quote. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident and ready to customize your website with ease. First, you'll want to launch your Godaddy website builder. You can do this by logging into your Godaddy account. Once logged in, look for the My Products section, which is usually located on your user dashboard. Click on Website Builder, and then select Manage. This will take you directly to your website's editing interface. Once you're in the editing area, you'll see your website's current layout. Now, look over to the left-hand side where you'll find a series of tools and options to customize your page. Click on the option labeled Add, typically illustrated with a plus sign for easy recognition. This is where the magic starts. By clicking here, you open up a world of design possibilities. In the menu that pops up, you will see various elements you can add to your site. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding text. So go ahead and select Text. A submenu will appear, offering you choices of text styles and formats. Choose the text style that best fits your design needs. Drag and drop this text box onto your desired location on your web page, ensuring you release it exactly where you want it to appear. This may take a little adjustment, but don't worry, getting it just right can make all the difference. Once placed, click on the text box to edit it. You'll see a toolbar that appears, providing options for fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. Here's your chance to be creative, matching the style of the text box to your website's theme. Remember, readability is key, so while it might be tempting to explore fancy fonts and colors, you should ensure the text remains legible. Before you finish, consider the purpose of the text and ensure it's accurate, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Whether you're providing information, adding a catchy headline, or sharing your contact details, concise and clear text works best. After you are satisfied with the text and design, take a moment to preview how it all looks together. Finally, once you're happy with your changes, hit the Publish button, usually found at the top right. This ensures your updated page goes live for everyone to see. Be sure to test the live site to make sure everything appears as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully added a text box to your Godaddy website builder site. With this new capability, you're one step closer to a stunning, user-friendly website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building!